Hello everyone, good morning. In We are discussing the third module of the computer application subject. So some part of the third module we discussed in previous video. So other part we will discuss today. See here, today we are discussing about the algorithm. Okay, algorithm means what? What you mean by algorithm? What is the meaning of algorithm? See, we will discuss here. This is a problem solving technique. If you want to solve any particular problem, so we should write first algorithm. Means, see, if you want to design any software, if you want to design any particular software, so we should design the first rough steps of that program. So we can write down the step by step, means how that program will work. Write down the step by step method of that program is called as a algorithm. So before preparing any developing any software, we write down the algorithm of that program. Then we draw the flow chart of that diagram. Means flow chart, it will shows the flow of the diagram. Then later we will write down the coding part of that program. See here, this is a problem solving techniques to solve any particular problem. This is a technique to solve a particular problem. An algorithm can be defined as a step-by-step procedure to solve a particular problem. See, if you want to solve any particular problem, there are some steps. Using that steps, we can solve the problem. We can solve the problem step by step. This is solving the problem step by step is called as a algorithm. This procedure is known as algorithm. It consists of English-like statements. Means we can write down the English-like statements. Means English-like statements in program. But when you executing that program, computer doesn't understood the English-like statements. So, but we write down the method of that programming English-like statements. So each statement must be precise and well defined, means user easily understood that meaning of that program. For user understanding purpose, we write down the algorithm. If you run the program, if you want to run the code, you should write down the program on the computer. If you write down the English like statements in program, there is a compiler in computer. It will convert that English like statements into the binary format, because computer doesn't understood the English like statements. Computer only understood the binary language. So there is a compiler in computer. So whatever English like statements you have written, it will translate to the machine level language, means in 0 and 1s. It is converted into the binary format, means computer easily understood. For user understanding purpose, we write down the statements in English like. Each statement must be precise and well defined to perform a specific operations. When these statements are executed for a given set of conditions, they will produce the required result. Means you should write down the precise and well defined steps. Means user easily understood that steps. According to that step, your program will work. So for a given set of condition, means we should write down the, if you want to execute any particular program, we should write down the conditions in that. Means whatever conditions you require in that to solve any particular problem, so write down that conditions, mathematical formula. So write in algorithms. The word algorithm is named after the famous 9th century Arabic author and mathematician. See, the meaning of that algorithm word, where it comes that algorithm word. See here, the one Arabic in 9th century Arabic author and mathematician is Abu Jafar Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi. This is the name of the scientist. Using name of this scientist, because he has designed this algorithm. So using the name of this scientist, they prepared the word is algorithm. See, Abu Jafar Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi. This is they have renamed is algorithm. First we call it as a algorithm, but now it is renamed as a algorithm. This algorithm word comes from the name of the scientist in 9th century Arabic author and mathematician is Abu Ja'far Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi. Using this author name, they prepared the algorithm word because he has written the algorithm of the program. So they have given the name is algorithm. Okay, this is a structure of an algorithm. If you want to write down the particular program algorithm, so these are the steps. We can follow the 5 steps. Normally we write down the algorithm in 5 steps. If you want to add in between, you can add the number of steps, but main 5 steps in algorithm. If you want to write down the algorithm, we should follow these 5 steps. See, this is a structure. Step 1, if you want to write down any particular problems algorithm, step 1 is start, means start of the program. See, if you have written the code of the program, we should write down the using preprocessor directive, we write down the header files at the main part of the program. So at the starting of the program, we write down the header files using preprocessor directive. So start of the program. Then step second, in step second, we write down the read the input, whatever input you give to the computer. So read that inputs, means whatever input you can used in program, so that that input you can mention here, means declared in step 2. Whatever inputs you used in program, means which inputs you are using in program, so declare that inputs in step second. Then step 3, in step 3, whatever mathematical formula you are using in your program, so write down that mathematical formula in step 3, means whatever conditions, mathematical formula you are using in your program, so write down in step 3. Then step 4, after read the inputs, means give the input to the computer for processing, then write down the mathematical formula. According to that mathematical formula, whatever inputs you have given, it will process and it gives the accurate result to the outside world, means to the user, means whatever result we get here, we displayed on the monitor screen in step 4. So whatever result we get using these steps, we can write down here in step 4 whatever result we get to solve any particular problem, so we can write down in step 4. So print that result, whatever result we get, so print that result in step 4. Then last step is step 5 is stop the program, means your work of the program is done. So at the end you can stop the program using curly braces. In program we write down the curly braces for ending of the program, but in algorithm we write down the stop of the program. See, this is a structure. Algorithm means what? This is only for user understanding purpose. So if you want to design any particular software, so we write down the roughly steps of that program, means how that program will work, how that software will work. We roughly design the steps, means how it will work step by step. That is called as a algorithm. Means first we should, if you want to design any particular software, first we should write down the algorithm, means rough steps of that program. So that is called as a algorithm. Then next part is flowchart. So draw the rough diagram of that steps. This is called as a flowchart. So if you want to design any particular software, so we should write the first algorithm, means first rough steps of that software, means how it will work step by step. It shows the step by step methods of that program. So examples of an algorithm. So we will discuss the examples of an algorithm in next class.